Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Just this week, my husband and I watched a movie called The Dig, starring Carey Mulligan, Ray Fiennes and Lily James to name a few. And in it was a mention of lemon drizzle cake, which made my husband go ooh. So I thought since we have ripe lemons from our dwarf plant here, it would be perfect for this recipe, which is a slight tweak from Nigella Lawson's. As you can see, our little lemon plant is preparing for winter, so these will be the last of the lemons until spring is here again. The ingredients are really simple. For the cake batter, you'll need 175 grams of self-raising flour and equal parts of 175 grams custard sugar, a pinch of salt, 125 grams softened unsalted butter, 2 lemons, mine are smaller than the ones you usually get in store, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of milk. Zest the 2 lemons, inhale the beautiful citrus aroma, and keep them aside for the syrup and glaze later. I've lightly greased this silicone loaf pan with butter, but you'll also want to line and grease the bottom and sides if you're using a loaf tin. This one measures 21 by 10 by 6.5 centimeters. Then I preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius on fan forced. Into the mixer goes the butter, caster sugar, and cream them until light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. Add the lemon zest, and eggs, one at a time. I love the heavenly smell of lemon and butter in this mixture. When it's nice and smooth, in goes the sifted flour. And a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix until everything is combined. Pour in the milk and mix well. Transfer the batter into the loaf pan. And into the oven it goes for 45 minutes. To make the lemon syrup, I've used 80 grams of icing sugar, and to that I add the juice of 1.5 lemons. Gently heat in a saucepan until the sugar dissolves into a silky finish. When the cake is ready, leave it in the loaf pan. Skewer all over so it can take in the lemony syrup goodness. Then drizzle generously. Leave the cake to cool completely for about an hour before removing. To make the lemon glaze, use the juice of the remaining half lemon and stir into 100 grams of icing sugar. Depending on the thickness, you may want to add a little more lemon juice or water to get to the consistency you prefer. I've already applied a thin layer of glaze and going back in with a thicker layer for a more snowy effect. If you have leftover lemon zest, sprinkle them all on top. I also happen to have a bottle of lavender that I usually add to my tea. Just a little bit of this takes the cake to another level, with the slight bitterness of the purple buds cutting through the tangy citrus, and the aroma of lavender goes so well with lemon, it's a perfect match. All you need is a hot cuppa to complete this sensory experience. I find that this cake tastes even better overnight, that is, if you have any leftover. I hope you all enjoyed another easy recipe on my channel. If you'd like to continue following my journey, do subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Take care and happy baking!